Hello! In this video, I will demonstrate how to install NordVPN on Firestick directly from your computer. If you have never done this before, do not worry. It is quite simple. I will now demonstrate how to do this step by step. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Important: log in to the account that your Firestick is linked to. Without this, you won't be able to install apps remotely. Now, in the Amazon search bar, type NordVPN Fire TV. The first app is most likely the one we need, the official NordVPN app for Fire TV. Click on it. Now comes the most important step. If everything is okay with your account, you will see a button, Deliver to Name of your Firestick. Click it, and Amazon will remotely send the app to your Firestick. In a couple of minutes, it will be installed on your device. Now go to the Your Orders or Your Devices tab in Amazon and make sure that Firestick is connected. If everything is done correctly, the app will install automatically. While the installation is in progress, let's move on to the next step. Open NordVPN.com and log in to your personal account. If you don't have a subscription yet, there is a discount offer in the pinned comment below this video. After logging into your account, go to the My Account Arrow Services section. From here, you can check your current active subscription, see how many devices are connected, enable additional features such as Smart DNS. Now go back to Firestick. When the installation is complete, open the NordVPN app. A login window will appear on the screen. Enter the login and password you use on the website. The rest is easy. You will see a Quick Connect button on the screen. Click it, and NordVPN will automatically connect you to the nearest secure server. If you want to select a country manually, click on All Countries and choose any one: the United States, Germany, Japan, the United Kingdom, whatever you want. Now launch Netflix or any other streaming service. Depending on the country you select, you will have access to different libraries. For example, if you choose Japan, you'll get access to a bunch of anime that isn't available in other countries. If you connect to the US, you'll get American movies and shows. Important: if the streaming app doesn't work with a VPN, NordVPN has a Smart DNS feature. This is a separate technology that allows you to bypass blocks without a direct connection through a VPN. Everything is configured from your NordVPN account. Just activate Smart DNS for your IP, and Firestick will use it automatically. Also recommended: if Firestick starts lagging after installation, simply restart the device. Settings: My Fire TV, restart. After that, everything will work smoothly. Now let's summarize what you get with NordVPN. Protection for your entire network on Firestick. Bypass regional restrictions. Stable performance with Netflix, Prime, Hulu, and more. Ability to connect to servers in over 100 countries. And all this without any loss of speed. Speed is also important, by the way. NordVPN uses the NordLynx protocol, which is faster than the standard OpenVPN. For streaming, this is a huge plus. Videos start instantly without lag. And now for the best part, a bonus that's available right now. If you follow the link in the pinned comment, you'll get up to 69% off, free months, 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. This means you can use NordVPN for a month with absolutely no risk. If you don't like it, you can get your money back in one click, no questions asked. The link is waiting for you in the pinned comment. Click Activate your subscription and install NordVPN on your Firestick in 5 minutes. Just like I showed you. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Write in the comments if everything worked out, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and stay safe.